morning, guys. This is the 30th of July. It's 11 a.m. I've been up since about 8:45. 8:45 is when I left the bed, and 8:30 is when I woke up. So 15 minutes I was in the bed after waking up. But the good news today is that after feeling really low on energy last night and not being able to go to the show, I slept at midnight. Yeah, midnight I slept, and I woke up at 8:30. That's fucking amazing. 8.5 hours of uninterrupted sleep. Rarely has it happened in the last 6, 7, 8 months, whatever. Rarely I've had uninterrupted 8.5 hours of sleep. I don't usually sleep this long. I don't. Also, my sleep gets interrupted in the middle of the night. So I would have done something right last night. One, I didn't go to the show because I prioritized my health over work. Then I managed to walk a bit after dinner, which was light again. I just had eggs and one toast peanut butter. Yeah, and I slept at midnight. So then I stopped having caffeine after 3 p.m. So that's another change I've brought in after the 2 nights before when I had only 3 to 4 hours of sleep because I had iced espresso at 6 p.m. Right, so I'm really monitoring everything I'm eating, my health, my habits, my sleeping habits, because sleep is an important priority, and every day when I don't sleep well, I don't feel good. So today, after a long day, after a few not very good days of sleep, I have had a good night of sleep. So I'm feeling pretty refreshed right now. 8 on energy. I track everything, so I'm feeling pretty energized. I've tracked my health, resting heart rate this morning. My blood pressure has come out really low, but Roger says it's fine for someone like you. But it was based on a face scan also, so I need to get a heart monitor. I'll figure out. I'll need to get a heart monitor. Cool. You have a good day. I'll catch you. Hey guys, how you been? I haven't recorded anything today. I have for the vlog, but on WhatsApp I didn't post anything. I have been recovering today also. I think the reason the fatigue, also the tiredness also happened because of this workout called barbell snatch which I did yesterday. It is an upper body workout. So basically what you do is you hold the bar and you put weights on it. I put 30 kgs on it yesterday. The bar and the weights including 30 kgs, and you take the bar till your knees and you throw it up to Hanumanji. Then Hanumanji catches it and he throws it down. So basically you keep throwing the barbell up, Hanumanji catches it, throws it down. Up, down, up, down. So it's a very hard workout, you see. So that kind of tired me yesterday. Cool. I hope you've been doing well. I've been trying to, calm down my nerves and my body. I've come for a dance workout now. That's all I'm doing today. No swimming, no lifting. But dance is all I'm doing. I'm also heading to the show tonight if the show's happening, because I skipped the show also yesterday. Oh my god, there's so much I said in 1 minute. This is 58 seconds. Alright, catch you. फोटो में तुम्हारी तो खींची मैंने कई बार उनकी. मतलब फोटो खींचते ही कम हुआ तो मतलब पहले और रूम भरा होता तो खींच लेता हूँ. Hey guys, the day review. It's about 10 minutes past 11 p.m. And the day is almost over. One of the challenges not being able to solve this year is late dinners, because the club that I manage, the show start at 9:30. So I reach there on time, but I'm able to have dinner either once I start the show or a little before the show. So generally the dinners happen around 9 to 10, somewhere there. So today I had dinner about 10, and so I'm walking right now in Gallery Market, which is my favorite place to walk in the city. I also walk sometimes in the Bikaner wala market, which is very close to where I live. But I walk every night so that I kind of digest the dinner that I have. Cool, but I'm feeling very refreshed today because of the rest I've given myself over the last 2 days. Yesterday also I kind of was forced to rest. Today also I was forced to rest. So 2 days I was kind of forced to rest by my body, and that's kind of turned out well. The dance class was great. I was fire. Okay, that's what I think. Okay, so I'm happy with the dance class.
overall the day I also had to do some administrative shit which I managed to do. So what I started doing in the morning, which Roger recommended to me, is that you ask yourself in the morning, what is one thing I must accomplish today. I started doing that for the last 3-4 days and just working. Alright, so happy with the day overall. 7 to 7.5. Good night, try to be happy. Bye.